Page 54. Positions in the traffic circuit. All circuits flown on the runway at an airfield follow a standard left-hand circuit pattern, unless otherwise published, or as instructed by ATC. It is very important for pilots to familiarize themselves with all of the positions in a circuit so that they are able to give a concise report to ATC of their circuit position at any stage, if required while flying in that pattern. This is also important as ATC are not always able to continually monitor the position of all traffic visually in the circuit pattern due to factors such as reduced visibility caused by the weather or the glare from the sun, which can affect their overall visibility from the tower. In controlled airspace, it is mandatory for all pilots to make a broadcast on downwind and on final, while in uncontrolled airspace, it is suggested that all pilots make their circuit blind broadcasts on downwind, base leg, and final approach for that runway in use.